Hi everyone, I am Kathleen Basco and I am an educator and an indie author on Amazon. Okay, aside from teaching, I do create books like this one, a puzzle book. It's a word search puzzle book. I have a crossword puzzle book. I also have stories, a children's book. Let me go and grab it to show you. I have my very first launch children's book on Amazon. This is the title, Kathleen and the Curious Cloud. I also have a horror story book, okay, Mommy's Tales of Aswang in Witchcraft. I also create notebooks, okay, and I do have coloring books as well. All of this can be found on amazon.com, amazon.com.uk, amazon.com.nl, okay, so many countries, and also in Japan it's available, all of my products. Just search for my name, Kathleen Basco. It will all be shown there to you. I also have ebook of my storybooks, and if you do support my products, I really owe it a lot to you guys. So I will be forever indebted to you with your support of my products. So please do support me. Thank you.